Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 says write the equation of the line in standard form, and it says y equals 3/4 x plus 2, and as we've seen, this is in slope intercept form. But I want standard form of a line, which is ax plus by equals c, no fractions, no decimals, meaning a, b, and c are integers, and a is positive. So I do have a fraction of 3/4, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 in order to eliminate the fraction, since 4 is the least common denominator. So on the left side, 4 times y is 4y. On the right side, 4 divides into 4 one time, and 1 times 3 is 3x, plus 4 times 2 is 8. And now, as we've been doing, I'm going to have to rearrange my terms. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides in order to have my x and y terms on the left side. So on the left side of the equation, I would get negative 3x plus 4y equals 3x minus 3x is 0, and 0 plus 8 is 8. Now I've eliminated the fraction, however the a term is negative. So I'm going to multiply both sides by -1 or divide both sides by -1, it doesn't matter. The result will be that all signs will reverse. So in standard form, my equation would say 3x minus 4y equals -8.